Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a video in Kinmaster. So I have already installed Kinmaster. If you don't have, you just need to search it on Play Store and you can easily download it. So I'm opening here Kinmaster. So now you can see Kinmaster is open. So now if I want to create a new project, just I need to click on create, and from here create new. So from here you can select the size of your video, like you can create video for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube and other platforms. So for example, I'm here creating a video for YouTube, so I will create the first one. So from here I just need to select a background image so that I could edit my video on that. So I'm selecting here this one, black background, and I just need to expand it. And you can also if you do not want to select the background, then you can directly upload video from here. So now I have sketch it because I want to create a little bit lengthy video. So about this might be 1 minute or more than 1 minute. So from here I can now select multiple videos. So the reason I have selected the empty background, because I can select multiple video from here. So I just need to click on this media, and from here I can select, for example, this one video. So now you can see video has been selected, but this video is before this background image. So what I have to do, I have to delete it, and I can select it again. So from here I just need to go to this layer, and from here media, and I can select that video again from here. So now you can see this video is over this black background. So I can minimize its size and maximize its size, and I can choose multiple video. So you can bring this in this space another video, and you can zoom it. So this is how you can select this screen for the multiple video. So for example, I just want to create this simple video, and now I just want to edit it. So now if I play it, it is played over its original sound. So I can change its sound. So how can I change its sound? I can go to this mixer. From mixer you can increase its pitch and its lift and its volume. So for example, I just want to minimize the original volume. So I will bring it to 0, and I want to add my own audio. So from here I will add another song, for example this one. If you want to delete it, you can delete it, and you can choose another sound. So from here you can go to albums, and you can go to songs. So I will go to songs, and from here we'll select some songs. For example, I have a lot of songs. So for example, this one, 1,000 years songs, and I just click on this plus button. So now you can see this sound has want to increase in some parts, you might have seen in videos that sound get its volume up and down, so we can cut this volume and we can add some other videos, some other sounds. So for example, I'm going to cut it from here, cut, split it to two, and this one. So now for example, I just want to minimize its volume. So what I have to do, I have to bring it down. So now if I play it, also make videos, want to cut this part right here, so we'll trim it. You know, you can see it is a separated from this, so I will also cut it from here, split it, and I just want to increase its sounds in full 200%. So now if I play that, now you can see. Choose how many sounds you want to add to your video, and you can easily add them. And the interesting thing is that you can add other videos whenever you want, and you can add some titles from here. So for example, from here I just want to add some title. For example, beautiful birds. And I just want to add this one, this bird symbol. So now you can see title. For example, I want to add it right here. So and now this title has been added, and I just want to bring it to the last, to the end of this video. So now you can see this will be played all over video, and I want to glow it. So I will open this one and glow it, and I will change its color red, and the size must be a little bit, and this is the spread, how much spread you want. So this one, and we can also add some other styles to this, like we can add some shadows, and shadow must be, for example, white color. So now you can see the shadow has been added, and we can move the shadow angle from here, and this is the distance, how much distance you want. And you can also add some other text feature like background colors and text option and bindings and colors. And you can also add some animation, and an animation mean that it will one time it will animate it like this one, but if we want to overall animation, then we will select this one. For example, from here I will select this one, floating and squishings. So this one. So now if I play, you can also add, so from here you can add some sticker as well. So for example, here is some stickers, and if you want to add it to your video, you can add it, and you can increase its length, its size. So for example, I just bring it right here. So in some video you might have seen some stickers. You can bring these stickers here, and you can also add some customized stickers as well. So I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna to start of this video, and from here I just want to add my own stickers from browser, from my phone. I can also add some icons, like for example this one. So for example, I just want to add this icon from here. So you can scratch it to the end, and this for example, now I want to play this. And some other features, for example, you can see from here the effect. You can blur some portion of this video. This is a Gaussian blur and mosaic. So for example, I just want to blur some of its portion. For example, this one, you can drag it to the length. You can increase its length, and you can if you want to blur some portion of video. For example, I just want to blur this portion, so I can select this. If I play, so you can see this portion is being blurred. And there are a lot of options. You can add text, and you can also if you have some subtitles by here, you can add some others feature, like I want to highlight something. For example, I want to highlight its peak, so this, and I can increase its length and decrease its length. So now if I play, you can see. So I can add some other feature as well from here. I can add a circle, I can add arrows, and I can add some other shapes from here. And there are also some other features, like okay, if I play this video again. So over this screen I want to add some other videos. So how I'll do this, I will click on layer and select some other videos. For example, from here let's suppose I want to add this video, this short video. So now this, or this portion, for example, I can minimize it and I can maximize it. For example, here, and I just want to minimize its volume, so that it didn't affect the real volume. So if I play it, so you can see the other video is played. And there are some other animation as well. For example, I just want to split this this background from here, and I just want to add some animation from here, like this one. So you can see here a lot of transition from here. I can add some transition, some beautiful transition, for example this one. So now if and you can also increase its length of appearance. So now if I play this video again, so you will see this transition is applied over the background, but we can also apply it over video, and you can also add some other transition like this one. Like you can add transition of arrow from here, it will show like that. And you can also add some text from here, like the text will appear right here. So there are some other beautiful transitions, fun transition like this star. You can see the star and the earth in this one. So there's a lot of transition, you can try them, and there's a lot of feature in this app, but I will show these app in other tutorial. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.